We are standing on the edge of a new industrial revolution, not powered by steam or electricity, but by artificial intelligence. This revolution is not only changing how we live and work, it's changing how we lead. In the past, leadership was defined by experience, charisma, and decision-making under uncertainty. But in today's world, uncertainty itself is becoming predictable, thanks to data and machine learning. Every time you swipe your phone, buy a product, send an email, or like a post, you're contributing to a massive, invisible ecosystem of data. Artificial intelligence learns from this data, refines its models, and starts to understand human behavior in ways we never imagined. So what does this mean for the future of leadership? It means that managers will no longer be judged by how well they guess, but by how well they interpret, adapt, and collaborate with intelligent systems. Let's look at the numbers. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2030, over 1 billion jobs will be transformed by technology. AI alone is expected to contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy. That's not just growth, that's disruption. In such a world, the companies that thrive will not be the ones with the most employees, but the ones with the most agility, the ability to pivot, to learn, and to integrate AI into every layer of their decision-making. We are already seeing this. Amazon's pricing system adjusts millions of products in real time using AI. Tesla's autopilot systems constantly learn from billions of kilometers of driving data. Banks like Goldman Sachs use AI to detect fraud in milliseconds, something no human could ever do on time. And this is just the beginning. In tomorrow's economy, a manager may not need to read every report or analyze every chart. Instead, they will ask AI to do it, and AI will not just give them numbers, but conclusions. It will say, based on current trends, you should increase production in Region A, reduce logistics costs in Region B, and reassign your sales team toward customer type C. This is what AI-enabled leadership looks like. But here's the catch: AI is not magic. It's not always right. It reflects the data it's trained on, and that data often reflects human bias. If we're not careful, we will automate not only our efficiencies, but our inequalities. That's why ethical leadership is more important than ever. Tomorrow's leaders must understand the systems they use. They must be data literate, AI aware, and ethically grounded. They must know how to ask, where did this data come from? What voices are missing? Does this model reflect the world we want, or the world we already have? The future will demand not only smart machines, but wise humans. And that's not all. AI is transforming education, healthcare, energy, agriculture, and government. In every domain, leaders will be faced with choices they've never seen before, about privacy, about responsibility, about the boundary between human and machine. And this raises the most important question of all: what is the role of a human in an AI-powered world? To stay human. Lead with empathy. Make decisions with purpose, not just logic. Build systems serving life, not just profit. Design futures that include everyone, not just the connected. Algorithms can't dream, hope, or care like humans. Leadership isn't replacing people with code. It's about expanding human potential with code as a companion. Next decade's leaders won't resemble past CEOs. They'll be designers and translators, connecting code with conscience in society. Technology doesn't build the future. People do, with intelligent tools. So the real question is not, will AI take my job? The real question is, will I be ready to lead in a world where machines can think? If you are ready to shape that world, you are not just a manager. You are a builder of the future. And the future is waiting for you.